Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify create dashboards with Glide and Airtable, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Airtable account. Create a new base by clicking on the Add a Base option. Choose to start from scratch or select a template that suits your needs. Once the base is created, you can define the fields you need for your dashboard. Click on Add a field to set up different data types like text, numbers, and dates. After organizing your data, ensure it's structured correctly for use in Glide. Next, open a new tab and go to the Glide website. Log into your Glide account or create a new account if you haven't already. Click on New Project to start building your app. Select the Airtable option when prompted to choose a data source. Connect Glide to your Airtable account by following the authentication steps. Choose the Airtable base you created earlier. Confirm the table you want to use for your dashboard data. Once connected, Glide will automatically sync your Airtable data. Now, it's time to design your dashboard layout. Drag and drop components like charts, lists, and buttons onto the screen. Customize each component by selecting the data source and configuring settings. Preview your dashboard to see how the components look. Make adjustments as needed to improve the layout and functionality. Once satisfied, proceed to publish your Glide app. Copy the link provided to share your newly created dashboard. Finally, test the link to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.